So in this video, I'll show you how to equip a hero title in Where Winds Meet. Now, if you received a hero title, whether it's for completing a quest or for ranking up, and you want to equip it, this is what you're going to do. You're going to open up the menu and select your profile. Under your profile, simply select Edit Profile, and then you should see Hero Title. Select that. From here, you should be able to see the titles that you've currently received as you've progressed through the game. So you can see here, I have this title here that's ready to be unlocked. So all I need to do is simply confirm that I wish to unlock it. And once I've done that, I can now equip it. Now, whenever someone looks at my profile, they should be able to see Greatest Benefactor, telling them that's my current hero title. You can also choose to equip at least up to 3 titles. So you can come and select another title that you have, and you can choose to equip it. And it will switch between your first title and your second title. If you want to custom create your own, you can just come here and select that, then select Equip, and then simply edit the hero title. So you can come here, type in whatever title that you want. And then confirm the changes. Bear in mind there should be no spaces. And once you've done that, you can see you've created your own custom hero title. So now it will switch between all 3 titles whenever you're in-game. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.